Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to update the Windows version. First you need to check your which version do you have. Go to this PC and right click, select show more options and then select properties. Here you can find out the Windows 11 Pro and the build version is 25H2. My build version is the already latest updated version. If in case in your laptop, if it is not 25H2, before that 24 23, if it is there, you need to update it to 25H2. Okay, for this I will show you, and one more thing I will show how to check the Windows build version, the shortcut method. Simply press the Windows button and type here WinWar and then press enter. Then you can able to find out Windows 25H2 version. Windows 11 version is 25H2. Okay, first thing you need to update your Windows. Simply type here Windows update. This is the best method to update the Windows to the latest version. In my laptop it's already up to date. In case if it is not updated in your laptop, if it is not working the check for updates option, first you need to go to this PC and then open C drive and then select Windows. Here need to find software distribution and then open download. Here what are the unwanted files is there, you need to delete this. Simply shift and delete, or if you want to permanently delete these 13 files, yes, wait for few seconds, it will delete the old Windows version, updated version. It will take few seconds to delete. Okay, it's almost completed. After this, go to the run. Here need to type services.msc, press enter. Here need to type Windows update. Find out Windows update option. Windows update option is there here. You need to startup type, make it automatic. First you stop it and then start again and then apply it. After this, again you try to update the Windows, then try to update the Windows, then it will updating. If it is not updating, we have one more option. We have a one standalone software installation method is there. That one I will show you. Go to the Google Chrome. This link I given in the description. Here the 64-bit Windows 11 25H2 updated file is there. Simply need to download it and install it. It will it is almost it will almost it will take half an hour to install it. Okay, this is the small file, only 171 KB. After the downloading, you need to install it. Yes, now the downloaded. Simply open this file and try to install it. A Windows Update standalone installer update for is already installed. In my case, Windows 25H2 is already updated. Because of this, I am getting this error. In your system, it will be start installing. When you open this file, it will start installing. That's it. After this, try to restart your machine. Your Windows will be updated. Thank you.